Hello my young friends, I am Naveen Sharma and I am going to help you in learning class 12th chemistry. After covering this methods to express the concentration of solution, now we are moving towards the next topic of the chapter called the solubility of solubility. Then we will do the types. Solubility. Okay. Now what is solubility of a solution? This is again the amount of solute present in given amount of solvent or solution at a particular temperature. Because if we change temperature, then the solubility will change, either it will increase or decrease. Okay, so the amount of solute that can be dissolved in or present in given amount, or we can write it as 100 gram of solvent or solution at a particular temperature. Okay, then we have factors affecting the solubility. Factors affecting the solubility of solid in liquid. Solids in liquids. Factors affecting the solubility of solids in liquid, like sugar dissolved in water, okay, salt dissolved in water. What are the factors on which the solubility of a solid dissolved in liquid depends? Okay, the first is nature of solute and solvent. Nature of solute and solvent. For this we should know like dissolves like. Now what do you mean by like dissolves like? For example, the polar substances which will get dissolved in polar, and the non-polar in non-polar. Okay, like water is your polar, salt, NaCl, salt is also your polar, they get dissolved into each other. Okay, like benzene is your non-polar, it get dissolved in non-polar like CCl4. Okay, like dissolves like. If the substances are like, then solubility is more. Okay, second factor is temperature. Now what will happen if I increase the temperature? What will happen to the solubility of a substance? Yes, all of you must be giving answer. It will increase. Solubility may increase or decrease. It can decrease also. May increase or decrease on increasing temperature. Now how does this work? We know solute plus solvent will give solution. Solute plus solvent will give solution. Now solute plus solvent, this is called dissolution, and reverse is called crystallization. Okay, so we have dissolution and crystallization. If dissolution is endothermic, suppose suppose if dissolution is endothermic, then crystallization will automatically be exothermic. Okay, if dissolution is endothermic, then crystallization will automatically be what? Exothermic. And if it is exo, then it will be what? Endothermic. Okay. Now according to Le-Chatelier's principle, you have done in your class 11th, what does it says? Le-Chatelier's principle, according to the Le-Chatelier's principle, if we increase temperature, then equilibrium will shift towards what? Endothermic side. Okay, and if we decrease the temperature, then equilibrium will shift towards exothermic. Okay, so it depends, dissolution is endothermic or exothermic, then we can say what will be the effect on the solubility on increasing the temperature. Either it will increase or decrease by knowing the knowledge of this endothermic or exothermic reaction. If dissolution is endothermic, then if we increase temperature, solubility will increase, and if we decrease temperature, solubility will decrease. And if dissolution is exothermic and we increase temperature, what will happen? Solubility will decreases. Yes. Now let us give you more examples to make you more clear. If enthalpy of solution is greater than 0, means what? Positive. Then it is endothermic. So on increasing temperature, what will happen to solubility? Yes, solubility will also increases. For example, like certain salts have endothermic dissolution, NH4Cl, NaNO3, AgCl, AgNO3. For all, solubility will increase if we increase temperature, because their dissolution is endothermic in nature. Okay, there are like if enthalpy of solution is less than 0, means what? Negative. So it is what? Exothermic. So on increasing temperature, what will happen to their solubility? Yes, on increasing temperature, very good, solubility will decrease. Solubility decreases. So there are certain salts, I am giving you examples, whose solubility will decrease on increasing temperature, like Li2SO4, lithium sulfate, CaO, okay, Na2CO3 dot H2O, 10H2O. Okay. Now next is effect of pressure. On the solubility. Effect of pressure on the solubility of what? We are doing effect of pressure on the solubility of solids in liquid. We know solids are highly incompressible or cannot be compressed, almost incompressible. Solids are highly incompressible, therefore there is no effect there is no effect on the solubility of solids or in liquids by change in pressure, by change in pressure. Is it clear? This is clear to all? Okay. So, there is no effect on the solubility of solid when we change pressure. Now, what will happen on the solubility of gases in liquid? Now, this is important. Solubility of gases in liquid. Solubility of gases in liquid. Okay. Now, we will straight away discuss the factors on which the solubility of gases depend in liquid. First is nature of gas, and solvent. Nature of gas and solvent. Those gases which are capable of forming hydrogen bond, with water, are more soluble in water, For example, ammonia gas, this is capable of forming hydrogen bond with water. So, it is more soluble in water. Okay. Similarly, gases, you know now what is hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond is formed between hydrogen and fluorine or oxygen or nitrogen. So, any gas which contain fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen are capable of forming hydrogen bond with water, and they are easily dissolved, easily soluble. Now, gases with high molecular mass or larger molecular mass, you have to compare. Gases with high molecular mass are easily dissolved or soluble in water, or get easily dissolved. Okay. Like suppose if I have a gas H2S or SO2, and we on the other side we sorry, I have H2 or helium gas. Now, out of these pairs H2S or SO2, H2 or He, which gas will have, or which gases will have higher molecular mass? Obviously, H2S has higher molecular mass than both H2 and He. SO2 has high molecular mass, both H2 and He. So, these gases which have high molecular mass are easily liquefiable. They are easily liquefiable, easily liquefied, easily dissolved in water. Okay. Then another factor called temperature. How does the solubility of gases in liquid depends on temperature? Now, this is important. Effect of temperature. Okay. Now, solubility of gas in water, this solution is what? Exothermic. So, what will happen if we increase temperature? So, on increasing temperature, yes, tell me, on increasing temperature, solubility will decrease. Solubility decreases according to Le-Chatelier's principle because it is an exothermic process. Okay, that is why cold drinks are kept in fridges, refrigerator. Okay, because if the temperature is low, then solubility of gas will be more. You know, in cold drinks you have carbon dioxide gas dissolved in your soda water. Okay, if you keep it at low temperature, then gas will be more gas will be dissolved. Okay, when we suddenly open the container, the gas will not escape immediately. Okay, and that is why fishes feel more comfortable in what? Cold water. Why? Because more oxygen gas will be dissolved in water, or will remain dissolved in water, so there is no problem in the process of breathing or respiration. Okay, so in today's meeting we will end here and we will start the further chapter in the next meeting.